The security company G4S, which is managing the Mangaung maximum prison, might find themselves in hot water as it has been alleged by the Sunday Independent newspaper that Facebook artist Thabo Bester has been allowed to spend time with his lover, Dr. Nandipha, to have a Tlof Tlof inside the prison, you guys. This was after the Department of Correctional Service said it had launched an investigation into the allegations that Thabo Bester and Magudumana had been offered intimate time together. The department spokesperson Singaba Kunumalo said conjugal visits were not allowed in South Africa. Now, the department's confirmation came after sources told the Sunday Independent that Thabo Bester had been allowed to spend hours with Magudumana inside the prison. We are aware of the allegations and they are being investigated. Inmates are not afforded conjugal visit, said Ngumalo. Sources inside the prison said conjugal visit had been permitted because Bester had allegedly bribed officials to allow him to spend more time with Magudumana in a private room. This started when Magudumana started seeing Bester in jail in 2017. Bester had a lot of money and he would just pay the officials off. So they gave him a room to spend time with Magudumana. He would spend hours with her, the sources said. Those allegations are true. This is something that was happening. His lifestyle in jail was different to everyone else's because he was not even eating our food in prison. Prisoners who were studying were not allowed to charge their laptops in the cell, but he was allowed to do this. Everything would change in a second when it came to him. He had an extension cord connected to his cell. I believe this is because he had money, or maybe they knew something we don't know. The sources said, you guys. Now, there you have it. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Like this video and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.